Soomaaliya saabaxa ha hurdina guryihiina waa ilmihiina waxa laga baxay kaliyaha iyo beerka iyo maxaa la dhahayo kaadahaysta iyo wadnaha waa ilmihiina Soomaaliya ha hurdina dhul shisheeye saabaxa sabtidan Sankida Beach imaada the refugee activists they're all going to be there. We're forcing the Egyptian government to do something about it. Saabaxa Soomaalida oo dhan xira xafiisyadiina shaqooyinkiina waxa dhaha maxaa la dhahay waan jiranahay soo imaada soo qaata kalar gaduudan xawadka ku soo shubta wiilasho gabdhaha soo qaata calamo gaduudan iyo Egypt calankeeda soo qaata waa in Australia dawladeeda aanu sheegna yaa wax u qabanaya hooyadeena banaanka la dhigaayadii ilmaheedi annaga hadaan wax u qaban all the fellow Australians they're trying to help and you are Somali and you're not helping. How come you just want to lay down and take welfare money? Come out, Somalia. Biri Kamalin ilmaha aday ku dhacaysa. Ilmahan ku jooga wadankan ayay ku dhacaysa. Way xalayaan. Nin lacag dhadhamiyayna ma joojinayo. Maalintii kuwaas ka soo dhamaadaan kuwa inta ku haysatay u imaanayaan. Soo baxa Somalia. All refugees come out. Come out Sankida Beach and be activists and tell the Australian government and the Egypt government to stop this. How can they watch when they're killing children and innocent mothers and they're removing their organs and they're taking their kidneys and the government of Egypt, they're not doing nothing. They're not even closing the corrupting clinic, that hospitals. They're not even giving the children the gas to sleep. They still wake when they take their organs. And you laid up. Sabah Somalia. Isku Sabah. Qayliya. I'm a one-man army and I need your support. Come out. It's your children. It's your mom. Your government and your leaders are corruption. They hunguri halkaas u dhinteen. Waxay ka qabanayaan malaha. Adinka Sabah. Adduunka dhan laga sheeg. Saaxiibaday all refugee activists oo Sabahayaan. But meesha saaxanayna badda oo ilmaheena lagu tuuray. Sida ilmaheena loo tuuray iyo hooyooyinkeen loo tuuray. Waa in anagana u seexana. Come out. Before yesterday, you were in that situation, don't forget it. Today, that mother, she's in grave. How come? And nobody's talking for her. You have to come out. All my fellow Australians, please come out this Saturday on Sakinda Beach and be the activists of those innocent refugees. They remove their organs and their kidneys for the corruption man who wants money. The Somalian children and Somalian mothers. How can you continue married and having kids when your children every day was happening that? Your mom, your sister, your brother, your three-year-old baby. How come? And you lay down and you sleep, taking welfare money and you don't give a fuck about it. Or you makalajali. Sabah, ilahi ka'absada. Sabah, nim'ana mukujiraysin. This Saturday, you have to be the activists. Come out Sankida Beach and shout the Egypt government to stop this. How come a Muslim nation do to our children and our mothers that? And we lay down like they nobody. Even the dogs have a right. Even the aunties, the trees, they have a right. How come a Somalian children, I don't have a right? My fellow Australians, the Prime Minister of Australia, please talk about this. Save those 40 mothers and the 40 children. The CID talking about it. They're holding some places and they're waiting them to sell their organs. Already 18 children removed last night, their organs and their heart. How come you lay down and you think that matters? My fellow Aborigines, please come and support. This is the Justice Day. Thank you, and come out this Saturday in Sakinda Beach. Please, I beg you, have some love in your heart. Thank you.